Hey everyone, today we're building a compact room heater, designed with a simple and practical approach. This project is easy to build, yet it follows a clean, professional workflow commonly used in electronics and PCB-based designs. Throughout the video, we'll walk you step by step through the complete assembly process, focusing on proper connections and safety. And at the end of the video, you'll see a full testing demonstration, showing how efficiently the heater performs in real conditions. For this project, we're using a gypsum board to create the main body of the enclosure. This material allows us to shape the structure easily and customize the size according to our project requirements. You can adjust the dimensions based on how compact or large you want the final build to be. All the pieces are carefully measured and cut as per our design. If you want to take this project to a more advanced and professional level, you can also design a custom 3D printed enclosure which offers better precision and a premium finish. With all the pieces cut and aligned, we now attach every part together, completing the basic body structure of our project. To assemble the body, I'm using screws to secure each part firmly though. You can also use instant glue for additional support if needed. Every component, from the frame to the panels, is carefully aligned and fitted to ensure a solid and precise structure. Proper assembly not only enhances the durability of the enclosure. After preparing all the parts for the body, we move on to installing the pipe clips. We are using 2 pipe clips, which you can easily source. First, we flatten one side of each clip to ensure a snug fit inside the enclosure. To position them accurately, we mark the spots inside the body where the clips will be fixed. Then, using a drill machine, we carefully make the holes for the bolts. After drilling, we take 2 nuts and bolts for each clip to secure them firmly in place. Finally, we fit the pipe clips inside the enclosure, ensuring they are perfectly aligned and stable. Next, we take a service wire and prepare it for connection. This wire will carry the main power safely to our project, so it's important to handle it carefully. We move on to connect it to a 3-pin plug. The connection process is simple yet precise. After cutting the wire to the required length and stripping the ends, we secure the wire to the plug terminals using screws, ensuring each wire is tightly fastened. Once the wire is fixed, we tighten the nuts on the bolts to prevent any movement or looseness, ensuring the connection is solid and reliable. And friends, here's a quick heads up. In the future, we'll also bring you exciting PCB and CNC-based projects on our channel. To further reinforce the setup and guarantee safety, we apply M-Seal around the connection points. This not only strengthens the joint but also prevents any future issues caused by vibrations or accidental stress. Once the M-Seal is properly applied and set, the connection is stable, durable, and ready for safe operation. Next, we take a room heater rod, which you can easily purchase from any electronics store or even order online. I'll provide the purchase link in the video description for convenience. We begin by fitting the heater rod into the enclosure at the location where we previously drilled holes and fixed bolts. Once positioned correctly, we tighten the nuts carefully to ensure there's no looseness, making the installation secure and stable. After installing the rod, we need to create 4 additional mounting holes in the body. Using a drill machine, we carefully make these holes at the marked positions. Once the holes are ready, we take 4 nuts and bolts and attach them sequentially, ensuring each one is tightened properly for maximum stability. Now friends, let's quickly secure all the nuts and bolts, making sure each one is tightened properly so that nothing is loose. With the fasteners firmly in place, the structure is stable and secure. Next, we'll move on to preparing the front section of the assembly. Finally, on the bottom side of the body, we mark and drill a spot for fitting a steel wire support. Now, using a drill machine, these holes are positioned according to the dimensions of the pre-cut steel wires, which are already sized to fit perfectly within the body. Of course, you can adjust the length of the steel wires according to your own design requirements. Once the holes are ready, we fit all the steel wires into place, ensuring they are aligned accurately and secured firmly. This structural framework not only strengthens the body but also ensures that all internal components, including the electronics and PCB, remain safely supported. With all the steel wires installed, it's time to test the project. We connect it to the board, turn on the switch, and as you can see, the project starts working flawlessly. Every component is functioning smoothly, demonstrating reliable performance. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this build, so please leave your feedback in the comments section. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay inspired.